We'll guide you through how to get Google Drive support. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Google Drive website on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the question mark icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Help menu. Here you can find various support topics that might address your issue. If you're unable to find a solution, scroll down and click on Contact Us for more options. You'll be prompted to describe your issue briefly. Be specific to get the best support. After you submit your query, you'll be given options to either chat with a support specialist, request a callback, or browse additional help articles. If you choose to chat or request a callback, make sure your contact information is up to date. Google Drive support is usually very responsive, so you should hear back soon. When you're interacting with support, provide as much detail as possible about the issue. This helps them to assist you more effectively and may lead to a quicker resolution. If you're dealing with a more complex issue, you might also consider visiting the Google Drive Help community, where you can ask questions and get answers from other users and experts. Remember, having all relevant information on hand, such as error messages or screenshots, can significantly expedite the support process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.